guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video we're going to test together a new palette by Cosmetics, and this is the Dark Side Eye and Face palette. This is a collaboration with the German YouTuber Mrs. Bella, and this is the second palette that they have created together with Cosmetics. The first one is this one here. As we can see, we have a very beautiful color theme on both of the palettes. I was very impressed with this palette, and when I saw this one in my local drugstore, I was like, okay, I'm going to get it. In the first palette we have 2 highlighters and 10 eyeshadows. We have lighter shades in this palette. On the new palette, as we can see, this is the dark side of this palette, and we have darker shades. We have 1 blush and 1 highlighter and matte and shimmer eyeshadows. On both of the palettes we have the names of the eyeshadows, also a very beautiful and convenient mirror. If you hold your palette like this, it is very easy because it is lightweight. The price for this one is €19.45. We get 14 grams of product. Both of these are cruelty free and vegan. I like that the palettes have the same aesthetic and they have a very nice design, and they look pretty together. They have similar color stories, but they don't have the same eyeshadows, so you can use them together if you want. For this video, I will do the swatches for all the products, and also I will show you what eyeshadows I have used for my eye makeup today. And of course, I will give you my thoughts about the palette and how you can apply the eyeshadows to have the best result. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any products by Cosmetics and if you like them. Share this video with a friend that likes drugstore palettes. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. Let's start with the face products. We have the blush here. This is a muted dusty pink color, and if you apply a light layer, you can use it on lighter skin tones. You can also build the intensity of this one. It is very soft and easy to blend on my skin. You can see that if I add more, you can make the color more intense and more vibrant for a darker skin tone. We also have a highlighter, and the name is Gleam. The highlighter has a rose gold color and it has a beautiful sheen. You can apply a small amount of the product and it looks more natural, or you can make it more intense with a setting spray or with a second layer. This one will look fantastic for someone with a medium skin tone. I like this highlighter because it doesn't intensify my texture that I have here. My skin is not very smooth, I think because the weather is getting colder. The face products blend very nice, and I think they can work for different skin tones. Let's continue with the eyeshadows, and on the first row we have eyeshadow Cloud, and this is a light beige matte eyeshadow. If you have a lighter skin tone, you can use this one to set your concealer, or you can highlight your brow bone with this one. I don't use this eyeshadow a lot because I prefer a shimmer eyeshadow for my brow bone or my inner corner, but if you don't care about that and you like matte eyeshadows, you will like this one because it is very creamy and it has nice pigmentation. Next we have eyeshadow Diva, and it is this very beautiful gold eyeshadow. I want to show you how it looks. Ooh. This is shimmer. This is like a copper gold shimmer eyeshadow. This one works very nice with a dry brush, and you can also use it with a sponge tip applicator if you want, but I like that it works very nice with a dry brush. After that we have Goddess, and it is this yellow gold eyeshadow, very rich, very beautiful, and let me show you how it looks. Ooh. So nice. If you have a darker skin tone and the highlighter is not working for you, you can mix it with these 2 eyeshadows, with Goddess and Diva. Next to Goddess we have this fantastic crease color, and it is called Warm Sand. It is a warm brown eyeshadow with a matte finish, very pigmented and soft. I like that it is so easy to blend it into my crease. Look at this. This is so gorgeous. After that we have Green Smoke. This is a beautiful deep olive eyeshadow with a very small amount of gold sheen. This looks fantastic. It has very nice pigmentation, and this is what I have now on my outer third and inner third third of my eyelid to create the halo eye effect. I like that I can work with all the shimmer shades of the palette with a dry brush. On the second row we have some darker shades. We have 4 matte eyeshadows and 1 shimmer. It is called Venus. This is like a creamy eyeshadow. It reminds me the Essence Melted Chrome eyeshadows without all the fallouts, and it is so beautiful and rich in color. Also, I like the sheen, and I have used it in my lower lash line today. You can also use it on your eyelid and it will look super luxurious and shiny. You can make all the shimmer eyeshadows more intense if you apply them with your fingertip or a sponge tip applicator. After that we have eyeshadow Heat. It is a dark red brown eyeshadow. This reminds me a lot of the Heat palette by Urban Decay. I don't have that palette. Let me know if you have it and if you like it. And it is a matte eyeshadow, very soft as well. If you are afraid of dark eyeshadows like this, you can apply just a small amount and it blends very nice. If you just apply one layer, you can use it for an everyday makeup look, and then you can build the intensity and get to this color. Next we have eyeshadow Storm. This is a very nice eyeshadow if you want to intensify the outer corner, or you can use them into your lashes to make them look fuller, and it blends very nice also in the lower lash line because it is very soft. Next we have my favorite eyeshadow of all because of the name. It is called Blood Moon. And if you play Zelda, you know what is Blood Moon. And this is a deep purple red eyeshadow, and as you can see it doesn't swatch so beautiful, but this is what I have into my crease today and it blends fantastic. What I like about all the darker matte eyeshadows is that if you apply a light layer, you can make it more wearable for every day, and if you want to make it more intense, you can build the intensity. You can also mix the eyeshadows and they will not turn into a gray eyeshadow that it's not very complementary, and they blend very nice into each other. We also have a matte black eyeshadow in this palette. It is called Nox and it is very creamy. The black eyeshadow blends very nice. It is very easy to blend with the other eyeshadows. Let me show you which eyeshadows I have used for my eye makeup today. I started with the highlighter Gleam, and with brush 239 by MAC, I have applied it on my brow bone. After that, with brush 221 by Zoeva, I took eyeshadow Warm Sand and I have applied it into my crease for my transition color. I have also blended it towards my brow bone. Afterwards, with brush 225 by Zoeva, I took eyeshadow Blood Moon and I have applied it into my crease closer to my eyelid. After that, I wanted to make it more intense and I took some more eyeshadow. You can make it as intense as you want. Next, with an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I applied eyeshadow Green Smoke on the outer third and also in the inner third of my eyelid, so I can do the halo eye effect. I have applied 2 layers of this eyeshadow. After that, with brush E30 by Sigma, I took eyeshadow Diva and I have applied it on the center of my eyelid. On top of that, I applied eyeshadow Goddess. For my lower lash line, I took a smudging brush by Urban Decay and I have applied eyeshadow Venus. On the outer lower lash line, I applied also eyeshadow Green Smoke and I blended the 2 colors very well together. To blend the edges of my lower lash line, I applied eyeshadow Warm Sand with the same smudging brush. With the pencil brush by Sigma, I took the highlighter Gleam and I have applied it into my inner corner. To make my lashes look fuller, I took an eyebrow brush by Essence and also the eyeshadow Nox and I have applied it very close to my lashes. I liked the first palette and I also like the second palette. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know if you have another palette with the same color story. This is something that we see a lot in other eyeshadow palettes. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!